Have you ever had this experience? You're saving for your first home. You finally have enough money saved. You find the home of your dream. You then approach the bank. Your bank replies,
"Computer says no."
Computer probably didn't say no. It is far more likely that you failed the credit check. Credit check? What is that? Well, I'm glad you asked, because in today's video, I'll be telling you everything you need to know about credit checks, why it is important, and how to make sure you never fail a credit check again. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joyce. Today I wanted to talk about this topic because a lot of people have been asking me about it, and just to let you know, this video is relevant to UK residents only. Now, credit check is quite a wide topic. I can't cover it well in one video, so I've decided to do it in a series of videos. This is the first video. And stay tuned to the end because I have a little surprise for you. And trust me, you wouldn't want to miss this. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. So, what is a credit check? A credit check is when a company looks at information from your credit report to understand your financial behavior. Companies that may do a credit search on you include banks, credit card providers, utility suppliers, letting agencies and landlords, mobile phone companies. Companies may look at whether you paid your credit card, your loan, your rent, your phone bill on time, how much credit you currently have outstanding, how are you managing your credit, what financial associations you may have, and they also want to know what their credit history is. So there are two types of credit check that you can have. There is the soft credit check, which you yourself do every time you go to look at what is on your credit file. This does not show on your credit report. The other type of check you can do is the type that a bank will do before they give you a loan. This is known as a hard check. A hard check is not very good. You don't want to have too many hard checks on your credit file because it makes it look like you are desperate for credit. Banks do not lend to people who are desperate for credit. So, what is a credit file? Think of your credit file as your financial report card. It contains information that helps lenders confirm your identity and decide whether you are a reliable borrower. So I guess this then brings us to the next question. What is a credit score? Look at the credit score as a grade. You can get a good grade, an average grade, or a bad grade. Each reference agency has a different way of scoring. The higher you score, the better for you. You can access your credit report for free from any of the 3 credit reference agencies. Just make sure you ask for a statutory credit report. It is free. Each reference agency holds different information about you. If you get all 3, you have a full picture of what is held. There's also the paid version. The difference between the statutory report and the paid version is the paid version gives you a credit score. So the higher the number, the better for you. Experian is $14.99 a month. Equifax is $7.95 a month, or you can opt for the combined credit report, which is from Check My File, and that gives you a full report. It's just good to see everything that every agency holds about you. I did this for myself and I noticed that actually they held different information about me. It's going to cost you $14.99 per month. Again, they also offer you a 30-day free trial that you can cancel anytime. So what are the benefits of checking your credit report? The benefit is if you check your credit report before you need to borrow money from a bank, you have time to fix it if there's any problem with it. It's also good to check for things like fraud, because other people might come and want to steal your identity and use your information. You also want to check for accuracy. The credit reference agencies would say you should check it every month. Personally, I do not check mine every month. I check it about once a year. I also check it if I think I'm going to need credit. Another reason to check it is if you notice that your credit score is low and you're trying to fix it, it's good for you to check your score and maybe make the improvements that you need to make, and then maybe in 3 months go and see if the work you've been doing is resulting in improving your score. As promised, and as a thank you for watching, I have a surprise for you. I have spent a lot of time creating a guide on having better credit rating, and it is yours for free. All you need to do is click on the link below, the link in the description, to download the guide. I have broken the guide into topics, and all you need to do is click on the bits that are relevant to you. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more contents like this. Share the video with friends and family because everyone can do with better credit rating. Leave your comments below and feel free to ask me anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video where we talk about what to do when you have no credit history.